we exhaust our minds only for extraordinary design and practical manufacturing. We enable users to achieve maximum results with minimal effort. Signal Fire Stripper is another effort by us. It combines Miller pliers, 2 specifications of leather wire stripping pliers, alcohol cleaning cotton, scissors, fiber optic rulers, 6 types of tools and 8 functions into a very lightweight tool, making the users relaxed and comfortable from now on. Signal Fire Stripper is also a high-standard tool using military-grade stainless steel pliers. For the first time, the composite center and slip shaft system, which is only used for luxury tools, has been applied in the field of optical fiber tools, allowing customers to fully enjoy the production standards of aerospace technology. Signal Fire Stripper, always worth your appreciation. Thank you.